Mr. and Mrs. Lewis, I'm pleased to report that Ryan has made significant progress in his speech therapy sessions. His articulation has improved significantly, and he's communicating more effectively.
That's wonderful news, Mihira. We're so proud of his progress.
I'm impressed with Ryan's dedication and hard work. He's been practicing his speech exercises at home, and it's paying off.
We've been encouraging him to practice regularly. It's been challenging, but we've seen a positive impact.
It's important to continue with the speech therapy sessions and practice at home. The more he practices, the better his speech will become.
Are there any specific activities or strategies we can use to reinforce his speech skills at home?
We can incorporate speech exercises into everyday activities, such as reading books or singing songs together. Encouraging him to participate in social activities can also help him practice his communication skills.
Thank you for your guidance. We'll continue to support Ryan's progress and ensure he stays motivated. Mihira, I want to explain septoplasty in a way that feels gentle and clear, because the decision to have any procedure is deeply personal. This operation is typically done as day surgery, meaning you would go home the same day without an overnight hospital stay, but you will need someone to drive you. Its purpose is to straighten the deviated nasal septum, which is the cartilage and bone inside your nose that might be bent or crooked. When the septum is out of alignment, it can block one or both nasal passages, making everyday breathing feel like effort. By carefully reshaping that structure, septoplasty opens an easier, freer path for air. The benefits can be quietly profound. You may notice that breathing becomes smoother and deeper, especially at night, which often reduces snoring and dramatically improves sleep quality so you wake feeling more rested. Many people also find that nosebleeds become less frequent because the irregular surfaces that used to dry out and crack are smoothed. Other possible improvements include fewer sinus infections, less facial pressure, and a better sense of smell. Of course, surgery requires recovery time, with some swelling and congestion in the first week or two, but the goal is long-term relief. You deserve to breathe with ease and to sleep soundly, and this procedure simply offers your nose a straighter path toward those quiet, daily comforts.